Want your WhatsApp business account to shine and grab customers' attention instantly? It all starts with setting up your profile the right way. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to the part 2 of how to set up your WhatsApp business profile correctly. Your profile picture is the first thing people notice, so ditch the selfies and random images and get a crisp, professional logo that instantly signals credibility and makes your brand recognizable. Keep it square, 640 by 640 pixels with a plain or transparent background, so nothing gets cropped or lost. Changing or updating is easy. Just tap, edit, and you're done. Next, let your customers know exactly what your business is about by picking the right category, whether you're in finance, education, entertainment, or arts. Selecting the correct category makes people understand your niche. You can even pick up to 3 relevant categories, but be careful not to mislead because irrelevant choices can hurt your brand's image. Now it's time to craft a killer business description. Try to make the perfect balance between too vague and too wordy. Your description should clearly explain what your business does while inviting customers to take action, like visiting your website, checking out your products, or sending a message. Keep it short, punchy, and free from typos so anyone reading it instantly knows who you are and what you offer. With the right profile picture, accurate category, and a clear, engaging description, your WhatsApp business account becomes more than just a messaging tool. It becomes a mini storefront where trust and professionalism meet. Nail these essentials and watch the next part for more features, and you're well on your way to attracting more customers, boosting engagement, and making your brand unforgettable on one of the world's most popular messaging platforms. Tune into the next video. Like this video, comment, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. WhatsApp is about to get louder because ads are coming and millions of users won't be able to avoid them. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech updates. Meta has confirmed that WhatsApp will soon start showing ads inside channels and while viewing other people's status updates, marking the biggest shift in WhatsApp's history. And yes, this time the rollout is real. The ads are designed to make users know businesses, letting them discover shops, services, and brands directly inside the app. Meta says the goal is to make it easier to chat with companies about what they're selling. When an ad pops up, users will be able to tap for more info, check the advertiser's profile, or choose to hide or report it. WhatsApp has already started flashing pop-up warnings to selected users, letting them know ads are on the way. Meta says that personal messages, calls, and private status updates will remain fully end-to-end encrypted and are absolutely not used for ad targeting. WhatsApp wants to turn status updates into a discovery hub, and if you see a business promoting a new product, you can start a chat instantly. Tap the 3-dot menu or the more option on any ad and you'll get tools to control what you see. Users can also adjust their ad preferences by going to Settings, Account Center, Account Settings, then Ad Preferences to control over the kind of promotions they see. And if a specific ad starts annoying you, hiding it is simple. For channel ads, tap the sponsored label and choose Hide Ad. For status ads, hit More Options, the 3 dots, and do the same. It's the biggest change WhatsApp has seen. A messaging app built on privacy now stepping boldly into the world of advertising. Whether users love it or hate it, the ads are coming. Are you okay with this update? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming updates. WhatsApp just dropped a game-changing update for business links. Welcome to GadInsider. Let's explore how this new feature makes your chat smoother. Open business websites right inside WhatsApp. The new in-app browser is here for iOS, and it's all about speed and safety. Want to know how it works? Stick around. On May 5th, 2025, WA Beta Info revealed that WhatsApp rolled out an in-app browser for iOS beta testers, bringing the same slick feature Android users already love. Now, certain business website links open directly in WhatsApp. No redirect to Safari or Chrome needed. This update, spotted in WhatsApp beta for iOS via test flight, aims to make your experience seamless across platforms. It's live for some testers now and rolling out to more users soon. So what's the deal? When you tap an eligible business link, it loads in WhatsApp's built-in browser instead of bouncing you to an external one. Not all links qualify though. Only those using HTTPS, ensuring your connection is encrypted and secure. This is huge for privacy, especially when browsing business sites. WhatsApp's keeping safety first while making it faster to check out products or services right in the app. WhatsApp's all about giving you control. Don't want the in-app browser? No problem. Just tap the three-dot menu to open the link in your default browser like Safari. This flexibility means you get the best of both worlds, speed and choice. The feature is currently in beta, but expected to hit all iOS users in the coming weeks as WhatsApp polishes the experience. This update makes WhatsApp a one-stop shop for chatting and browsing business content securely. Whether you're shopping or checking out a service, it's faster and safer. Are you excited to try the in-app browser? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Have you seen it in the beta yet? That's the scoop on WhatsApp's new in-app browser. If you love staying ahead in tech, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more updates. Telegram Business integrates AI-backed chatbots that let businesses process and answer messages on their behalf. In a apparent declaration of rivalry with WhatsApp Business, renowned messaging platform Telegram has begun the development of a feature to outshine the former. This stems from the announcement of Telegram founder Pavel Durov about a series of business features for the app. The new features announced by the Telegram founder allow users to add their location and business hours, organize chats with color-coded labels, use welcome messages and shortcuts for quick responses. What new features are coming to Telegram? Below is a detailed rundown of the features that will be introduced to Telegram Business. Hours and location feature on Telegram Business. This feature will allow Telegram Business users to display their operating hours and show their location on a map. Users can create a business profile and tap on the location pin to view the details on a map. Users will also have the option to choose the text and stickers that people see before starting a conversation. Businesses can also showcase information about their products and services or greet customers with branded artwork. Telegram Business also enables users to create quick replies, an essential requirement to respond to your customer with preset messages such as text formatting, links, stickers, media, and files. It should be noted that this feature only works in private chats. To use hours and location feature on Telegram Business, users need to type in the message bar, then a panel with all quick replies will appear. From there, users can edit or send a message. Greeting messages. Telegram Business users can also set a greeting message that will be sent to users who contact the business for the first time. Away messages. Users can also set an away message that will be sent when a user's business is closed or while they are on a vacation. Users can also limit any automated messages to exclude specific chats or entire chat categories. Tags for chats. This feature lets users add colored labels to chats based on the chat folders they are in. Links to chat. This feature lets users create links to chat with businesses. Telegram says that when tapped, these links instantly open a chat with the business and paste a suggested message for the user. Telegram says these links can be used both inside and outside of Telegram and that each link shows how many times it was clicked so that the business can track its performance. AI feature on Telegram. Among a set of new features, the app has also integrated chatbots. These AI-backed bots let businesses process and answer messages on their behalf. This allows businesses to seamlessly integrate any existing tools and workflows or add AI assistants that manage their chats, Telegram wrote. WhatsApp users are being warned about a terrifying new cyber threat that could give hackers full control of their accounts, no password needed. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your place for all the tech news. The attack called ghost pairing was uncovered by security experts at Gen Digital, which took advantage of WhatsApp's own device linking feature to get into accounts. Here's how it works. Victims get a message from a contact they know, but that account has already been hacked. The message is vague, like "I just found your photo," and includes a link. Clicking it seems harmless, often appearing as a Facebook post preview, but it redirects to a phishing website. Once there, users are asked to enter their phone number for verification. Then, attackers start WhatsApp's official device pairing process and make their target to enter a numeric code or scan a QR code. Following these instructions unknowingly connects the hacker's device to the victim's WhatsApp. Once paired, the hacker can read all private messages, view shared photos and videos, and send messages pretending to be the account owner. Many victims don't realize their accounts have been compromised for months, allowing hackers to commit fraud, extort money, or spread the scam further. To stay safe, experts urge to stay away from unsolicited links, even from friends. Always check website URLs carefully and review active connections and linked devices on WhatsApp in settings. Remove any unfamiliar devices immediately and pay attention to alerts when a new device tries to link. A little vigilance can prevent your private chats from falling into the wrong hands. Ghost pairing is shaking you to realize that even trusted apps can be exploited, and one wrong tap could cost you everything. Did you know someone who was hacked like this? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming updates.